Okay, open yours. Okay, open yours.
What's this?
Oh, what is that? Mom, can you please open it for me?
Yes.
Ooh. Wow, mine is extra big. Look at this one. Whoa. Look a baggie. Okay, don't mix yours up with mine.
Can you build with that
You
set?
can build like
A camel.
a camel, a dog, I think a wolf, a lion, and a monkey. And a
Ooh.
giraffe.
And a giraffe.
Yeah. Wait, it has like eyes of y'all's and Alana's, but mine doesn't because, you know, there would be no eyes for helicopters, stuff like that. So, yeah, there's cool stuff in that one. And finally, Alana, hers is Rainforest Rascals, and it's 30 pieces too, just as I said. And you can do like a snake, a lizard, and a turtle. Yeah, so it's pretty cool too.
So this is my duvet.
It's a little turtle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Also, if you would want to buy these Click toys, you can look at the link below. We will have the link below so you guys can buy them.
So we can
Bye.
have,
See you next time.